Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable HbbTV and manage its settings on TCL A300W. HbbTV is hybrid broadcast broadband TV, and it sends more than movie data to your TV in order to provide you with more functions. And you can enable or disable it and manage its settings by clicking on the settings button, then click on OK to enter all settings, then go to System, and then go down to HbbTV settings, and now you can enable it. You can enable or disable cookies, third-party cookie. You can see the device ID, you can click on it to randomize it, and you can select your preference on tracking, whether it's yes or no. Or if you don't want HbbTV, you can just disable it. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.